The 4 complete sentences are
柔和的水彩晕染出邮差制服与邮筒的温暖色调。
means soft watercolors smudge the warm tones of the postman's uniform and the red mailbox.
细腻手绘线条勾勒信封与落叶轮廓。
means delicate hand-drawn lines outline the envelopes and the fallen leaves.
画面带着纸张的自然纹理。
means the image features a natural paper texture.
色彩以淡蓝色、棕红与暖灰为主。
means the color palette is dominated by light blue, brownish red, and warm gray. The third part is a complex sentence centered on the subject postman to further refine the details.
邮差表情专注可爱，动作充满童真趣味。
The postman has a focused and cute expression. The movements are full of childlike charm.
背景朦胧柔和，传递温馨美好的情感。
The background is hazy and soft, conveying a sense of warmth and beauty. Finally, there is a description of the technical specifications for the generated image.
高品质细节，8K 壁纸，超高清分辨率。
High-quality details, 8K wallpaper, ultra-high definition resolution. I hope you enjoyed learning today. In our next video, we're going to dive into a longer and more interesting prompt, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Thanks for learning Chinese with me today. Happy studying, and I'll see you next time.